guys, this is Ranbir from criticreviewer.com, and today we have the beautiful flagship Huawei P50 Pro smartphone from Huawei for unboxing and review for the Middle East market. Huawei's P series of smartphone, in which the letter P stands for the platinum, and the highlight of the smartphone is the camera for photography and videography. The first P series phone was the P9 series, which was the start of the multi-lens camera technology in the smartphone. Later models like Huawei P20, P30 and P40 pushed the boundaries in the smartphone photography with lot of innovations. So here is the Huawei P50 Pro smartphone, which is the Huawei's flagship smartphone for 2022 for the Middle East market. As you open the box, you will find the powerful, beautiful P50 Pro smartphone protected in a translucent covering. Below the smartphone, you will find a protective case, SIM card ejector tool, 66-watt Huawei supercharger, and USB Type-C cable. Now, let us have a look at the Huawei P50 Pro. The body and the feel of the smartphone is very premium and fits perfectly in the hand. The phone comes with 6.6 OLED display with 122Hz refresh rate and has a resolution of 1228 by 2700 pixels. The screen supports 10-bit color and HDR10. The phone has an under-screen optical fingerprint scanner. The front camera, which is embedded in the display, comes with a 13-megapixel selfie camera with f2.4 wide-angle lens. When you turn the phone, you will see the beautiful cocoa gold back with shiny mirror-like finish. It has a bulging round vertical rectangular camera module which houses two circular black discs which looks like real tapes. The cameras are quad Leica Optic Lens cameras. The camera consists of 50-megapixel main camera, a 64-megapixel Tele lens with OIS and 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 40-megapixel Monochrome Lens. It also has a dual LED flash. On the right side, we have the volume rocker power button with a red line indication. On the top, you have the speaker and the mic unit. The left side is clean with no buttons, and the bottom side has a dual hybrid SIM card tray, USB Type-C port, speaker and the mic. The review unit which I have received comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM, or you can say storage. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and has EMUI 12 as operating system. And this is a 4G smartphone, and the mobile weighs around 197 grams and feels great and premium in hand. So let's dive further into Huawei P50 Pro smartphone features and details. For testing the P50 Pro cameras, I went around to few places in Dubai. Clicked some few snaps with the phone and you can see the quality, the color vibrance and it captured by the lens. Here are some of the images captured with the phone. Here is a shot of the UAE flag at La Mer north side of the beach at 1x and the 10x digital zoom shot. This is a shot clicked against the sunlight and you can see the lens adjusted brightness and using the AI algorithm and the lens exposure. As we spoke about the color vibrancy, here are the images where you can see the different colors captured, making it look realistic. Even the shadows are perfect. I was even able to capture wide angle images which look like postcard photographs. I clicked some selfies, portraits and images of my relatives who agreed to be part of my review. For capturing smiling faces, the phone has a smile option which has to be activated from a setting under the camera option. These are some of the low light photography or night shots. This is a night shot image taken at least 400 meters zoomed in. The P50 Pro has a dedicated monochrome camera and can be activated under the More option in the camera app. In the photo mode, you can digitally zoom up to 100x. This is a close-up of a sunset, and here is a shot of the Minar of the mosque at 1x and zoom shot at 32x. This is a shot of the boat at the port at 1x, 3.5x and at 10x. This shot of the budding leaves was clicked with macro lens. When you zoom in, you can see the thin veins of the leaf which I could not see with my naked eye. When it comes to videos, you can click 4K videos with 16:9 ratio and you can shoot at 30 fps or 60 fps. Here is a video shot of the Full HD at 30 fps of the Burj Khalifa from Dubai Mall fountain area. This video was shot handheld and with continuous OIS helped with stabilizing the video. The zoom shot is digitally maxed at 20x. You can also shoot time-lapse videos. You can also shoot slow motion videos at 1x with the speed of 4x, 8x and 32x. The phone can also shoot dual camera mode where you can click a video with yourself and the main rear camera activated. The camera performed beautifully under the low light condition. Here is a video of the sunset captured at 10x zoom. And more video captured at night. Along with the camera, sound is very important. The P50 Pro comes with stereo speakers and stereo mics which helps to capture even while you're zooming too. Here is a video of the ocean water crashing onto the shore and you can hear the sound captured in stereo. You can also create smaller videos with the preset option with preset music in the camera app. The P50 Pro comes with a 4360 mAh battery which lasted for more than a day even on the average use of a mobile, web surfing and watching videos. The P50 Pro comes with 66 watt supercharger. During the testing I got 75% battery in 30 minutes. Overall the camera performance was excellent as the images clicked had a perfect contrast and the clicked images were similar as we are seeing in real life. The camera didn't try to change or create artificial coloring and imaging which I've come across in some other smartphones. The Huawei P50 Pro has petal search and app gallery and I could have all the required social media apps downloaded and installed on the phone. The P50 Pro phone is recommended for mobile videographers, photographers as it can shoot 4K videos at 60 fps. And it has got clear crystal sound capturing stereo mics with zoom mic facility also. The stereo speakers are great and you can enjoy playing video games or listen to your favorite music. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you have any question, please do put down in the comment section and we'll try to reply as soon as possible. So keep watching this channel, like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Do